Hello everyone, we are going to talk about antibody. Firstly, we have to know what antibodies are like. Antibodies are a blood protein. They are produced by the immune system that responds to foreign substances like toxic and pathogens. They have specificity to antigen, so they recognize antigen and bind it to attack and fight it off. They are Y-shaped. They have two identical heavy chains and two identical light chains connected by disulfide bonds. They are made up of variable region and constant region. Variable region changes to various structures depending on differences in antigen. Constant region have constant structure. Which cell types produce? The answer is B cells. They account for from 20 to 14% of lymphocytes. They are antigen-presenting cells, so they attach to an antigen and process it, producing membrane markers that act as a warning that a T cell can understand. When B lymphocytes release cytokines, they invite white blood cells in the form of phagocytes to the areas where B cell antibodies have attached to antigens. Cytokines are signaling molecules and essential for cell-to-cell communication. B cells differentiate into plasma cells that produce antibody molecules closely modeled after the receptor of the precursor B cell. Once released into the blood and lymph, these antibody molecules bind to the target antigen and initiate its neutralization or destruction.
How are antibodies made? B cells are a type of lymphocyte. B is for bone marrow. Lymphocytes are a type of white blood cells. B cells take order from helper T cells to become plasma cells and memory B cells. Then, plasma cells produce antibodies. What is the biological role? Antibodies have three roles. At first, antibodies are secreted into the blood and mucous membrane and bind to and neutralize pathogens and toxins. This is called neutralizing action. Secondly, antibodies stimulate phagocytosis by macrophages. This is called opsonization. Finally, antibodies activate the complement system and kill bacteria by puncturing their cell walls.